All over the world, the job of cleaning our cities gets tougher every year. As urban landscapes change, populations rise, and new architecture mixes with old, the challenge grows greater. To stay ahead, our customers need machines that can drive productivity up, keep costs down, and minimize impact on the environment. No other manufacturer meets these three key objectives more completely than Johston. And this, our new C201 compact sweeper, is the perfect example of the Johston approach. A simple but fundamental belief underpins our design and manufacture. The better the machine fits the operator, the better and faster the job gets done. So, ease of operation, outstanding maneuverability and operator comfort are central to the design of the C201 and the key to its higher productivity. The driver's view is outstanding, unrestricted in every direction, to give a clear view of sweeping areas, brushes, obstacles and pedestrians, eliminating the need to continually adjust the driving position. The 201 also has a larger glass viewing area in the floor, so the operator can clearly see the nozzle box in operation. And we've now made this even more visible by fitting a lamp to the nozzle itself. The driver's armrest is ergonomically positioned with fingertip controls and is now matched with a padded armrest on the door. It's a good place to work. If a sweeper can't reach, it can't clean. So we've designed the C201 to outmaneuver any sweeper in its class. Just like its predecessor, the C200, the C201 comes with a two-wheel steering system that achieves a higher turning circle than even rival four-wheel steer designs. Now we've added the option of four-wheel steering, reducing the turning circle even more and setting the record for this class of machine. So it turns in where others can't, tracks closer to street furniture and obstacles, leaves no areas unswept, bringing added value to fleet operators. The C201 may be compact, but it's tough. We fit industrial tires that are more rugged than our competitors, better able to tackle rough surfaces and climb high curbs. Their larger footprint also makes them gentler on expensive specialist surfaces. For bulky litter, the opening of the 201's leaf nozzle box can be quickly increased from inside the cab to suck up bulky material. It can also be equipped with heavy-duty casters that give faster, smoother direction changes. Greater flexibility and control over all operations is central to the thinking behind the C201, but particularly the brushes. Front brushes can be controlled independently by the operator for speed, position and ground pressure. The cleverly articulated arms, the sweep gear configuration unique to Johston, together with the reverse sweeping feature, means debris can be cleared from blind alleys and 90-degree corners. The same features also make it easier to sweep right up to and around parked cars. And under and around benches and other street furniture. Improving the 201's clean-up performance still more is the 3.7-meter long wander hose. Because it's mounted on a turntable, it's very easy to manage, reaching into places the vehicle simply couldn't go. While for washing down surfaces and street furniture, there's a high-pressure hand lance with a 10-meter recoiling hose and a choice of fan or pencil nozzles. Control and operator feedback are exceptional on the 201 thanks to the large color screen of the JPlex 2 control system. Integrated with this is the rear view camera, giving the driver a clear view behind when reversing up to a skip or RCV, improving safety and accuracy. The 201 not only has a big appetite, with a hopper capacity of 1.8 cubic meters, but its discharge height of 1.5 meters also makes it ideal for tipping into skips or bins. Actuated by two powerful hydraulic cylinders, the system has automatically engaging safety props as standard that are clearly visible. To reduce driver fatigue, Johsnton have redesigned the chassis and suspension to give a smoother ride and less vibration throughout. For safety and stability when fully loaded, the C201 has a hydrostatic braking system front and rear, so it auto-decelerates when the driver's foot lifts off the accelerator, bringing the sweeper to a smooth and stable stop when driven on public roads. An in-cab heater is standard, and there are options for air conditioning or full climate control. In-cab noise levels are very low, just 73 dBA, and it has a low sound power of 103 dBA. Johsnton know that cost of ownership is as important as the purchase price itself, and the C201 has been designed not just to keep these costs down, but to provide detailed feedback. Customers can download operating information via the USB port on the Jetta system, allowing them to calculate accurate running costs for each vehicle. And they'll be pleased to learn that the 201 is the most fuel-efficient sweeper of its type, with up to 40% less fuel used in work mode than any other sweeper in its class. And the same USB port allows upgrade of the control system when necessary. To keep downtime to a minimum, key components are easily accessible, and the 201 rates as one of the easiest machines to service. Careful design has also gone into protecting the brush arms, which have forward impact shock absorbers in case of collision and low-profile hydraulic motors. If a brush arm is pulled too far back while driving, a replaceable shear pin will break before the arm is damaged, and the pin can be replaced by the driver without having to call out an engineer. While making a big impact on street debris, the 201 makes a small one on the environment. The lower fuel consumption can help save 10,000 kilograms of carbon per 2,000 operated hours over alternative sweepers. And with Johston's water curtain technology, it meets all air cleanliness regulations. The people who clean the streets of our cities deserve the best machines they can get. By engineering the best possible balance between ease of operation and equipment performance, Johsnton delivered the three main goals our customers require: higher productivity, lower cost of ownership, and minimal impact on the environment. In short, the C201.